So today I'm doing some high intensity interval training. It's great for cardio and for fat loss and for full body workouts and for some toning. So it's great to do if you don't have any equipment and a home workout. So I'm going to do 3 cycles altogether, 5 different exercises for full body and 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. So I'm using a Tabata trainer. It's free. Link will be posted with some info on that. Right, so let's get started. First one is running on the spot, knee high, knees as high as you can and as fast as you can. Concentrate on a tight core. Okay, 30 seconds rest, deep breaths. Next exercise we're going to do is burpees. It's great for core, for legs and upper body. Right, the next one we're going to do, number 3, is sidestepping. You want to take as big a steps as you can, side to side. It's great for core, stabilize your core and outer thigh. You want to go as fast as you can and you want to imagine yourself jumping as far to the left and the right as you can, as well as up. You should start feeling it burning on the sides, which is great because those are one of the problem areas. Okay. Right. You want to try to go as fast as you can and bring your knees in as high as you can. When it's burning, go faster. Right. The last one is squat jumps. This is great for legs, for bum, and for core. You want to go deep in the squat, so a little bit lower than parallel, and jump up as high as you can. So feet hip width apart. Try get your toes out so that your knees don't go over your toes. Move. And we're done. You want to finish off with some stretching and a high protein supplement or meal. Cheers.